In this course, we will do a challenge just like with the weekdays. The challenge consists of writing a method called number of words. The method has a number of parameters, that is the whole number. The method has to display 0, 1, 2 until 9 or other. If the number of parameters int is 0, 1, 2, 9 or any other number including the negative ones, then you can use the instruction if, else or switch or whatever is the easiest to you. And the method number of words has to be public static. Ready? Then do it. I hope you managed to do it. Now we will do the correction. We create a method number of words. Public static void number of words between parentheses int number. Here we will write switch between parentheses number we do the case 0 that will display 0. Break case 1 that will display 1. Break case 2 that will display 2. Break, and so on. Until 9. Default that will display other for any other number, for example -1 or 10. And break. Now we will test the method in the main method. So we try number of words -1, for example. Number of word 0, number of word 1 until 9. For example, -1, 0, 1, and then we go until 9. Then number of words 10. And we run the program. And as you can see here, we have the result. It was all for this video. See you next time.